Hello everyone and welcome to this week's weekly weekend reset. Here's the before, and remember, this is a no judgment zone. I don't judge you, you don't judge me. Put on your favorite tune. For me, that's Shania Twain. Unfortunately, I think somebody is responsible for turning off my camera. So we lost the footage of me cleaning the table, but we're gonna continue. I always start out first with picking the chairs up, getting them off the floor so I can start the robo vacuum, as well as wiping off and cleaning the table so that I can scoop all those crumbs onto the floor before starting the vacuum. Today she was malfunctioning, and as you will see in a second, it's because she caught this like bar of soap gift that I had. It had the ribbon on it, and the ribbon got caught into the vacuum. So cut it off, as well as a few other things. And she's good. She's a little slow, but she worked. She did her thing. I'm starting to realize that I am messing up gravely by starting my weekend reset on Saturday morning. The house ends up trashed again by the end of the weekend, and we're still starting off Monday with a messy house. So while I will continue to tidy up the house Saturday mornings, I think I'm gonna start doing the actual reset Sunday nights. I don't know how well that'll work, but it sounds right. I feel like at least on paper it sounds right. So after doing the normal wiping everything down, cleaning off the countertops, and starting the robo vacuum, I decided to give a better deep clean to a couple of spaces. So I did the top of this record player cabinet, I did the speakers, just wiping everything down, getting all the dust off. And then I did the kitchen, like the actual kitchen part of the kitchen, not just the island that you normally see me do every week. Anyone else feel like this weekend went by so fast? I know people say that all the time. Last week I feel like was nice. It felt full and long, and this week just went so quickly. We didn't even really have anything major to do. We did grocery shopping, we went to the mall, I needed some clothes for a Vegas trip that I'm going on soon, and my daughter is going to be going to Hawaii with her best friend, so we got her a couple things as well. Guys, I have to stop right here. Those grates and the stovetop. I know it's bad. I know. Listen, I know. We'll get to it. Not today, but we'll get to it. So when I started filming this, it was Saturday morning, and now as I am doing the voiceover, it's Sunday, 7 p.m., and we have to go to work tomorrow, and that's great, right? It's great. I'm excited. I'm excited to go. Oh yes, before I forget, I did a declutter and organize video. You should go check it out. I have it both on TikTok and YouTube as per usual. On TikTok, I do like the shorter, quicker version of the video, and here on YouTube, you get the full video. So whatever you like, I got it for you. Y'all need a little bit more attention span practice though. Let me just tell you that. If I learned anything from trying to make content for TikTok and YouTube, it's that everyone is really liking the shorts right now. And even though I prefer more long form videos, I'm adapting. All right, so here is the end of the video. It looks amazing. It looks clean. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great week ahead. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.